Cool. What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be doing some brakes on a Mercedes, and yeah, this is the first time using the lift at my friend's shop again. So enjoy this. First, I'm gonna remove this caliper.
Got it figured out?
Yeah.
What was it?
It was a 9 hex.
A 9?
Yep.
Oh, that shit rare. I have to order that. I have to order that separately.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You
Yeah.
found that?
Huh?
You found the 9 on the other rail?
Yeah. This is the right thing. Finally! Damn, son! Woo. Stay in school, kids. Stay in school. God damn, there's no pad on this. What the? That's just gone. That's what I call brake dust. KP, you probably think I lost my mind.
No.
I'm gonna get famous one day, KP, because of this stuff. And you're gonna be like, "Yo, Ryan, you wanna come help me?" And I'll be like, "No, get the hell out of here, KP, I'm famous as hell." What you mean? You gotta make appointments to speak to me, son.
That would be nice.
For real, to make appointments to speak to me?
Yeah.
And then I'll tell my person to be like, I'll be like, tell him I'm not available ever. Don't. That's terrible.
That would be nice for you though, not for me. For whoever wanna meet you. Rich people lose their minds, so.
Rich people lose their minds?
Yeah.
I won't lose my mind, man. Well, you know why I'm gonna lose my mind?
Nope.
Because I already lost it.
Oh, okay.
I've been lost it. You know?
I'm gonna eat now and order the parts for the club.
Okay.
If anything.
Yeah, you didn't even say hi to none of these guys up here. They've been waiting for you all day, man. Yeah, you're actually live streaming right now. We live streaming, so everything that you say is going straight up.
That's cool.
You still ain't say hi to them.
Hi guys.
Yeah, they need to see you.
Like I said, I'm not really camera friendly, but I'm gonna say hi. What's up, guys? Woo! We're here working hard, trying to make, you know, all the pennies to pay the bills.
You know I tried to lick you, right, on camera? Like this some gay stuff. Alright, I'm gonna clean this up with some wire brushes, and because I know you like to be extra clean.
Yes,
This is hey, you don't got like a dust mask or something?
I do.
KP, what kind of cheap mother? This is like some cheap ass masks. Just don't flimsy as hell.
What's wrong with that? Good, man. Turbo frame.
Oh my god. I think the only thing this is protecting is the air from actually that I breathe. That's it. The good air. Woo! We want to thank Harbor Freight for giving me some, giving us some cheap. I think there's a fuzz on my eyebrow or some shit. This is Harbor Freight masks. They don't even fit your face right. You got, I'm gonna put some antices on the hub. Or you don't do that?
You can pull just on the lip.
Yeah, the thin. Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
you can pull a little bit. You don't have to, bro. Yeah, it helps. if it ever has to come off again.
Do you clean all this too? No. Finally,
Just
something that KP doesn't clean.
Just the hub, like that.
Yeah.
But you use very small brush for the hub.
Yeah, but I mean the hub ain't that big though, you know?
Alright, yeah, good.
Alright, let me get some of that never sees. Zimmerman rotors. Camille's tripping with finesse. Draining this oil. Look at this. Complete oil. I got some dirt all over my face, son. Dirt on my face. Oof. So we just finished doing the brake job. Now we are doing the oil change. Well, not we, I. Here are some of the engines that we were working on. Again, I. That's one of the Audi engines. Two of the Audi engines. Okay. Got a lot of leaks somewhere, a lot of leaks. Cape, you know it needs a belt, right? A serpentine belt? Yeah, it's starting to tear up. And it looks like maybe the idler pulley is probably messed up because it's coming off the track. It looks like it's wobbling because it's torn up on the outside there, you see? And then if you look right there, you see how it's like off?
You got it on the higher. It goes higher? Or?
Oh yeah, it goes higher, but
Okay.
I didn't expect for you to have to come under here, you know. I made it from my height.
Yeah.
You want it higher?
I don't know.
I can put it higher for you, and I mean, it's not like you're gonna be under here any much longer.
No, I have to find this leak, you know. It's
Alright, so let me put it up higher.
It's leaking like. Okay, well, you have to start on the top with the leaks. And the highest up was the valve cover gaskets.
Damn, this barely has mile too.
How many miles?
87. But usually bends and stuff leak around 60.
Oh.
I'm gonna change the filter on top, alright?
Yeah.
Oh man, we finally conclude another day at Camille's shop. So just been chilling here, doing some work, helping him out. That's what friends are for, I guess. I can't wait to take a shower and eat. I'm so hungry. But yeah, we packed up for the night. He might stay a little bit extra. I might come in tomorrow, might not. But I'll see you guys soon. Have a good night, guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. And thanks for everything. Peace.